This is Module 6, Lesson 8, Problem Set Debrief. So this is just for you to go through and check your work and make sure that you have a clear understanding of what is going on and how to successfully complete this lesson. So create a table of 3 values for x and y such that y coordinate is 3 more than the corresponding x coordinate. So starting with anything that you want, 2 and 5, 5 and 8, 8 and 11, plotting the points, connecting the dots. Then here, you are going to find 2 more points with x coordinates greater than 12. So you have to just at least start with your x coordinates greater than 12. So your answers will vary. Then create a table of 3 values for x and y such that the y coordinate is 3 times as much as the corresponding x coordinate. So I started with 1 3 times, 3 3 times, 4 3 times. I plotted the point, connected them together, then give the coordinates of 2 other points that fall on this line with y coordinate greater than 25. So the y coordinate has to be greater than 25. So I said 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 10 times 3 is 30. For problem 3, create a table of 5 values for x and y such that the y coordinate is 1 more than 3 times as much. So 1 more than 3 times. So 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 more. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 more. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 more. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 more. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 more. I plotted the points, connected it with a ruler. Then here, give the coordinates of 2 other points that would fall on this line whose x coordinate is greater than 12. So now we're concentrating on the x coordinate. So 13 and times 3 plus 1. 14 times 3 plus 1. And I drew the line from here showing that this is the rule that I needed to use to find those 2 other coordinates. Then here, use the coordinate plane below to complete the following tasks. So I had to find a line, or I find the coordinates where x is equal to y, where y is 1 more than x. And I kind of jumped up a little bit on my numbers, and they can jump like this. That is perfectly okay as long as you're following the rule. Then line M, y is 1 more than twice x. So twice x plus 1, twice x plus 2. Twice x plus 1, twice x plus 1. I drew the lines, I labeled them. I used 3 different colors to help me decipher between the lines. Which 2 lines intersect? Give the coordinates of their intersection. So line M and N intersect at 0, 1. Which 2 lines are parallel? Well, L and M are parallel. Give the rule for another line that would be parallel to the lines you listed. So I went up here and I thought, okay, what 2 lines could be parallel? Well, maybe it's parallel to these here, to this one right here. So what would be easy? So y is 1 more than x. What if I went y is 1 less than x? And then your parallel line would run down here. Just trying to make it easy and still follow the rules. Here are your exit ticket and your homework. You should be practically experts by now. And you always want to finish your sprint as part of your homework.